In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all photos from Google Drive at once. Google Drive is a versatile tool that many of us use daily to store and organize our digital files. But sometimes you might reach a point where your storage is getting full or you simply want to clear out unnecessary photos. Whatever the reason, deleting all your photos in one go can be a much-needed solution. So let's dive in and take you through this process step by step. To begin, you'll need to open your web browser and go to the Google Drive website. Sign in using your Google account if you aren't already logged in. Once you've logged into Google Drive, look for the left-hand side panel where you'll find several icons. You'll want to click on the Photos section. Depending on how you have your Drive set up, this might also be labeled as Google Photos, so take a careful look around. This section is where all your images stored in Google Drive will be listed. Once you're in the Photos section, you'll see thumbnails or small previews of all the images you've stored. Before we move forward, take a moment to review these photos. It's always good practice to make sure there aren't any images you still need. If you find any important ones, consider moving them to a different folder or downloading them to your local storage first. Remember, once we delete the photos, they'll be gone from your Google Drive, so it's better to be safe now than sorry later. After you've ensured that you're ready to delete the photos, glance towards the top of your screen. There you will find a square box that represents a Select All icon. Clicking this box will highlight or select all of the photos currently visible on your page. Sometimes, not all the images may load or appear on the first click. If this happens, you might need to scroll down to load more photos and then click the box again to ensure you're selecting everything. With all your images selected, look towards the top of the page where you'll notice a trash can icon. Clicking the trash can will remove your selected photos from the drive. But remember, this action will move your images to the trash and not delete them permanently yet. To clear them entirely, you'll need to navigate to the trash section of your drive, which you can find on the left-hand side panel. There, at the top of the trash view, you will find an option to empty trash. Clicking this will completely erase all files, freeing up your storage. And that's it. You've successfully deleted all your photos from Google Drive at once. By following these steps, you can manage your storage efficiently and ensure that only the most necessary files remain. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. I hope you found this guide helpful and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy organizing!